Hello my friends, in this video I will show you how to easily align your text in Canva. So as you can see here we have a background image and these two text boxes. So what do we have to do if you want to align these text boxes, for example, in the middle of the image? We have these fantastic tools. Of course you can move the boxes around like drag and drop, and it is quite handy to these lines. They can help you, so you can put it in the middle like this. But there are situations when your image is quite crowded and it's hard to find the lines, because if you have many elements, then these ruler lines will start appearing all over the image and you can't really decide what is happening. So in these situations there are these tools which are very helpful. You select the text, you click position, and here are different choices. If you want to place the text in the center of the image on the vertical axis, you click center and then it moves exactly to the center. If you want to place your image in the middle of the picture on the vertical axis, then you have to choose middle. Pretty much self-explanatory. Now, so if you choose both of these, your text will be in the middle of the image. If you want it like in the bottom, for example, if you are trying to create this wallpaper or something, maybe you want it this height but in the middle, then you just select center and it's gonna be in the center. Very nice. What else can we do with the position tool? Actually, there is one more very useful thing. When you are trying to, now I will ungroup this, so we will have two different text boxes. So to make it easier to see what is happening, I will do these alignments to the left. Maybe I'm trying to create a list. Let's create a list. Maybe we'll delete this one. Let's create a shopping list. Milk in different boxes, because that's what we are trying to do. We have one more box, egg, one more, potatoes. Maybe I should choose next time words that I can actually write. Okay, so we want to align these text boxes so they would be in the same situation. So now it's the same thing. You can do this drag and drop very easy. Canva will help you and show you where they will meet in the same spot. But as I said before, this is useful only in some of the cases, because if you are creating complicated designs, which is, I mean, in my situation, it happens all the time when I'm trying to create like infographics or postcards or YouTube thumbnails, then this tool isn't that effective. And then you can do this. Maybe here are your text boxes, and then you choose all the boxes, position, and align elements to the left, and then it will put it all of them into the same spot, the same starting point. And you can do this obviously to the right, or right now it's off because Canva already sees that it is aligned and you can't really align it more. But did you see that there is a new option here, actually 3 new options. This wasn't here before. Right now we have 3 elements. If you have 2 elements, this doesn't appear because like it's mathematically impossible to place 2 elements with the same distance between them because there is only 2. But if you have 3 elements, then you can choose this. I think this will do tidy up, which will help us. Let's try it. Yes, this is the function which creates the same space between all the elements. Let's create one more or even 2 more just to make it more obvious what is happening. Let's align them to the left. Very nice. And then tidy up, and then they have the same distance between them. Let's put even more elements. Let's select all of them, position to the left, tidy up. Beautiful, beautiful. So I think this is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Such a beautiful wallpaper. Let me know if you want to download this. Let's actually put, oh, what? Oh, I just can't write. That's right. Such a beautiful design. I will use this as a wallpaper. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Check out this playlist with more Canva tips and tricks. And subscribe to my channel for more potatoes and milk and egg. And that's it for today, right? And goodbye. See you